In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place windows in Revit using the window tool. We'll start right inside your model. To begin, head to the Architecture tab and click the window tool. That activates Revit's window placement mode. You'll notice your cursor changes to show a preview, and the Properties palette becomes your control center for what kind of window you're about to place. Think of this as telling Revit exactly which window you want before you drop it into the model. With the tool active, look at the Type selector in the Properties palette. This is where you choose the window type from the families already loaded in your project, such as fixed, casement, or double hung. Each type usually has several sizes, so make sure you pick the one that matches your design intent and any project standards. If the type and size you need aren't listed, no problem. To load a new window family, click Load Family. This opens your Revit library. Browse to the Windows category and select the style that fits your project. After you load it, that family and its types will appear in the Type selector ready to use. If you see several similar options, choose the one that best matches the geometry and behavior you need, like operable versus fixed. Now you're ready to place the window. Hover over a wall and you'll see Revit highlight it. Windows in Revit are hosted by walls, so you must click directly on a wall face where you want the window to go. When you click, the window is placed and you'll see temporary dimensions appear. Use those dimensions to nudge the location precisely. Just click a value and type in a specific distance from a nearby reference, like a corner or grid. A few helpful tips while you place: watch the options bar at the top for settings like sill height, which you can adjust before or after placement. Press the space bar to flip the window's orientation, which is especially useful for casements or any unit with a defined interior and exterior. If your preview looks backward, flip it before clicking to save time. After placement, you can refine the position using Align or by dragging the temporary dimension controls. That's the full workflow. Activate the window tool, choose the type in the type selector, load a family if you need something new, and click on a wall to place it. Practice with a few different types to get a feel for their behavior, and you'll be placing windows quickly and accurately across your project.